Hi there. I thought I'd give an update on my MG and see how she's doing. As you may notice, she's minus one wheel. That's never a good sign, but we've got a lot going on here. So let's take a look and see why she's missing a wheel. Well, when I sent the car to the paint shop, the bumper mount was, shall we say, creatively re-engineered by a previous owner. Rather than, well, recreatively engineer it, I had the body shop replace the front frame extension. And while they were doing that, we added this bad boy right here, which is an anti-sway bar, which I'm told is one of the greatest modifications you can do to an MGA. This was standard on 1600 series, but this is a 1500, so it doesn't have it. It didn't come with it from the factory. So the sway bar has been sitting there for about 4 or 5 months, just doing nothing. So I decided it was about time to take off the suspension and actually connect the sway bar. So we're doing that. I've got a whole bunch of different stuff going on here. We have removed the sway bar. We put on these nice new A-arms. Now, in order to connect the sway bar, let me just put the light down like this. In order to connect the sway bar, what we have to do is we had to replace the front A-arm here because it has this reinforcement point for the sway bar. And then we have to also likewise replace the spring pan, which also has a hole and a reinforcement point for the sway bar link. Now, I figured while I was doing that, I would also be an opportune moment to replace these nasty rack boots that were torn when the front frame extension was replaced. So they were no fault of the body shop there. Those things are probably 60 years old and in need of replacement. So we're gonna pop those off and get new rack boots on. Getting the suspension off was fun, as I'm sure it was never been done in the 60-year lifespan of this car. So it's gonna have nice new A-arms, nice new bushings, all that good stuff will be replaced. I'm also going to replace the tie rod hands because I figure if I have to take these dang things off anyway, I might as well replace them with new parts. Now, one of the big challenges in this job has been getting off old nasty cotter pins. And I've discovered a method that I think works, which I'm going to share with you in my next video. So stay tuned, and we're going to have this bad boy back on the road very shortly.